Hey guys, what's up? This is my Bambu Lab P1S. So last night, I smells so bad. I found a 5-year-old PLA in the basement, and it was very brittle. So what I did is, oh, that smells really bad. I gotta go out here. So, um, what I was trying to say is that's a 5-year-old PLA color red, and it was very brittle. So what I did is I tried to because what I've read about old PLAs, the reason why they become brittle is because it has absorbed a lot of moisture. Okay, so I need to remove the moisture from the filament. So what I did was um, is to heat it up. I heated up the bed to 70 degrees centigrade, and then I left the filament there for like 4 hours. And then after 4 hours, I tried bending it. It wasn't brittle anymore. And now I'm trying to print, and it's printing. It's so bad though. It smells so bad. I don't know why. It smells like very strong chemical. That's why I had to how do you call this? Had to close the door again. Yeah. Yeah, it's printing well. So I'm happy that that's the only solution. And it sucks though that I threw away like a color white PLA about a month ago because I thought it was not. I won't be able to fix it. Yeah, so that's how you do it. That's how you fix a very old brittle PLA filament. You just remove the moisture from the filament by heating it up. And I heated the bed. I placed the filament over the bed, and then it's a close, P1S printers, right? They're actually, it has a door, it has an enclosure, so it's like the thing that you guys buy, the one that's used for removing moisture. Yeah, I forgot what it's called. But yeah, I just use my P1S printer as a moisture remover. Yeah. All right, guys, that's all. Thank you.